Today I am going to be talking to you about factors. So what is a factor? A factor is a number that divides into another number exactly without leaving a remainder. So let's try 8. What are the factors of 8? So we start with 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Is 2 a factor? Yes. So 2 times 4 will give you 8. So these are the factors of 8. So they sort of are like number factor pairs. 1 times 8, 2 and 4. So they're a pair. Now let's try 12. What are the factors of 12? So start with 1 again. 1 times 12 is 2 a factor? Yes. 2 times 6 will give you 12. Is 3 a factor? Yes. 3 times 4 will give you 12. So now let's try another number. So 30. A little bit bigger. So start with 1 again. 1 times 30. So those are factor pairs. Gives you 30. So what do you multiply with 2 to get 30? So you have 15. Is 3 a factor? Yes. 3 times 10 gives you 30. Is 4 a factor? No, but 5 is. So 5 times 6 is 30. 7 isn't a factor. 8 isn't and 9 isn't. So these are the factors of 30. Now let's try another method. Okay, this is sort of like a Venn diagram style. We're going to put the correct numbers in the circles. So we've got first set are factors of 12 and the second set are for factors of 20. So let's find the factors of 12. So the factors of 12 start from 1 times 12. Then 2 is a factor. Multiply that by 6. Then you have 3 and 4. Now these are the factors of 20. Start from 1 as well. And you have 20. 2 is a factor. So 2 times 10. And 3 isn't, but 4 is. So 4 times 5 is 20. And 6 isn't, 7 isn't, 8 isn't, 9 isn't a factor. And these are all the factors. So now what we're going to do now is to find which is common to both numbers. 1 is common. So we're going to encircle that one. 2 is also common. 3 isn't, but 4 is. Okay, so we're going to put those numbers inside in the intersection of the two sets. So we have 1 common, and then we have 2, and then we have 4. So the rest can go outside the intersection. So for 12, you have 3 remaining here, 6, and then 12. For 20, you have 5, 10, and 20. So common factors of 12 and 20 are 1, 2, and 4. Now, after this, we're going to have a little game on finding factors of numbers. So this is a quick game on factors. The number of players needed are 2. Materials needed, dice or number cards, and 25 counters for each player. The rules are that one player get a number, then can cover up 2 and 4 numbers on the grid that have that number as a factor. The winner is the one who uses all 25 counters. So we have green and red counters, so green player and the red player. So to start the game, we're going to pick a number. So numbers are from 1 to 6, which we could pick up randomly from a die. So we're looking for numbers which has 5 as a factor. So the green counter are put on 5, 10, 15, and 20 because they have 5 as factors. Now we're gonna pull out another card for the red counter. So we have 6. So numbers which have 6 as factors is 6 itself. Then we have 12, 18, and 24. So next we have 2 for the green counters. So we have 2, 4, 8. So these are effectively multiples of 2. And we have 3. So numbers which have 3 as factors are 3 itself. 9, 21, and 28. So you can only use up to a maximum of 4 counters. So these are for 5 again, and these are for numbers which has 4 as factor. and we just keep doing that until one of them will run out of counters. So it's slowly filling up the grid, and it's only a matter of time that one of them will run out of counters, and the first one to run out of counters will be the winner. And it looks like the green counters have run out, so the green player is the winner. I hope you enjoyed that little game, and thank you for watching.